Hey guys, what's up? It's Yvonne. For today's video, I decided to do some decals on the car. First off, I'm gonna remove this one. I wanna fit two right here, and this is pretty big, so I'm gonna remove that. And on this side too, I'm just gonna take this off and put something here. You guys will see what I'm gonna put. And lastly, I wanna do one right there. And then obviously we have the one in the front, which I'm gonna leave. But it is kind of peeling already, so pretty soon we're gonna need to change that one. Alright, so we're gonna start peeling this off now. Hopefully it comes off easily. Here's the last one. We're gonna go ahead and clean it just with water. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put the new one. Alright, here's the other side. Now we're gonna clean it again. But yeah, I'm gonna leave that there. You can't even see it. For that one, we could use the tar and bug remover. Okay, here we go. And lastly, the one I'm most excited about. And clean it now. Here we go. Was a little bit more difficult because I used the strong grip transfer instead of the other one, so that's why it was a little bit hard to peel off, and we got a little bit of bubbles, but it's okay. Oh man, that looks so cool. And see how easy this one peels off? Oh man, I really like that one. Definitely my favorite. I chose 5 stars because the 350Z is a 2005, but that looks so cool. All right guys, so a last final look at the decals. I updated the YouTube one. We couldn't find the same username, so that's why it doesn't have the underscore like the Instagram. And of course I had to put my Cash App because the struggle is real. And not only that, but this is the reason. That's all I gotta say. So yeah, help me out for parts. But just look at that. That is awesome. I love it. All right guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like the updated decals, and especially this one right here. Go to Instagram to see the pictures that I upload. See y'all later.